Today I'll be showing you how to transplant. This is a early girl tomato plant from this size pot to a 5-gallon bucket. Okay. So of course the first thing you want to do is fill up your bucket with potting soil. Second thing is, if you can see, the sun is brutal out here. Dig a hole so that your pot will fit inside of it. Like so. It's best to do it with the soil a little moist so that you can manipulate it. It'll stick to the sides. So moisten your soil if it's too dry. Okay, you want to squeeze this one. You want to squeeze this one a little. Get the edges around loosened up. This should be moist also, because you want it loosened because you're going to turn it upside down and slide the pot off. Be careful. Make sure you got a good, see how it's between my fingers? Even these ones are better, but I'm more comfortable with these two. Turn it upside down and it'll come off like so. And you can take a look at your rooting system. You see we got a good rooting system going on here. This was close to being ready to be transplanted. It could have went a little longer, but it's sucking the nutrients right out of this soil fast. They're getting up to the top, so it was ready to transplant this one. You don't really want to hold it by just the plant. Keep your hand under it, because you'll rip this sucker right out of here. Put it in your hole and backfill it. Have an extra bucket of dirt here. Okay, backfill it. Now what I do is take my little gardening shovel and pack it into the hole between the dirt and the new plant so that it's nice and compacted in there. You don't want no air pockets in your soil. Try not to damage the roots. Now some people say break up the roots before you transplant it, but I don't like to. I don't like to damage the roots. So I have success doing just like this. Alright, and then you want to take some of your extra soil and just fill it in. You want to leave some space for watering.